Logan. What cast of characters do we have back here? A brother and a sister, maybe?
Yeah, I'm Uncle Thomas Donald. And this is Cole.
No, Logan.
And Dad. That's Dad.
That's Campbell. That I can
And
say.
that's Campbell.
Yeah.
That's Mommy and Dad.
Yep. And that's a car wash back there.
And this is Pepper, and this is my best friend Pepper.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not going to the car wash with you, Dad.
Thanks, Logan.
I said the fan was just right.
Is there anything you want to tell our viewers?
Subscribe to us.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
Light it up.
Notifications.
Notifications. That's great.
She's got all,
Yes, she does.
all the buzzwords.
I'm so tempted. Listen.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got my shirt done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
This is a good day.
Yay, that's fun. That's a positive message.
It is. I wonder what I'm going to get this year for Christmas.
That's 6 months away. I'm glad you're thinking about it. You know?
I was about to say in the camera.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
This one's got a long timer. We're getting serious drying here. Look, there's still 17, 16, 15.
Went too fast.
Am I all the way through? Hey guys, is it still even hitting the back of the van? No, we're pretty much just parked here.